Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. You can hear me, no? Huh? Yes? I think it's better to hear is this side. I think.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. All of you can hear me, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So people are entering.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I have asked you to bring your activity today.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Children are entering. Let them enter.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, all of you. 22. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Today you had only 1 or 2 classes, no?
Only one, now two.
Only 1. Now 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
For
Today,
Hindi students, only one.
Only one.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the activity for maths.
okay, children. So I think,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. We have stopped with the last problem related to the rhombus, right? Or rectangle. Which one it was?
Top.
Yes. It was
One question, like
one question I gave about rhombus, isn't it?
Top question.
no, something like treetop broke, something like that.
Yes.
One more question you took. Tree was broken at the fire.
The
That
tree.
is over. That is over.
Yes.
No, that is over the ladder.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay. So it was about.
That was the last question we
I
stopped.
have given
No, we stopped at ladder.
hello
Sir, answer only.
on rectangle, finding the perimeter of rectangle, isn't it? In the last class, do you remember?
Write which of the following is true.
That was the last question given to you.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So today we have to do some more problems on that topic, that is Pythagoras relation, Pythagoras property. Okay, can you?
activity.
Hello. Adityan, can you tell me what is Pythagoras property? Adityan Anu.
Ma'am,
Ah.
ma'am,
Adityan, what is Pythagoras property? No answer? I told about what are the 3 sides of a right triangle? We have learned the names. 3
base,
sides.
ma'am, base,
Base, yes. Then,
altitude,
yes, good. Altitude. Then,
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse,
hmm? Hello?
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse, isn't it? These are the 3 sides of the right triangle. Can you tell me what is the relation we studied about the right triangle? There is some relation between hypotenuse, altitude, and base. What was it?
Altitude square is equal to the sum of, hypotenuse square is equal to the sum
Equal
of
to
altitude
sum of altitude square plus base square.
base square.
Is the sum of the legs, that is the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. And also 2 more formulas we studied.
Yes.
To that, if altitude is given and hypotenuse is given, how will you find the base?
Hypotenuse is equal to
Hypotenuse square minus altitude square is equal to base square.
Once again, one at a time. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, Sriram, can you tell me what is the formula or how will you find a base if you are getting altitude square and hypotenuse square?
Hypotenuse square minus altitude square equals to base square.
Okay. And if base square is given, you will subtract from the hypotenuse square to find the altitude.
Altitude.
Okay. So that type of problems we discussed last class, and one different type of problem we are going to do today. Okay, take down the question. So did you all remember these formulas, isn't it? All of you know these formulas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, activity I will check. Wait, activity I'll check towards the end of this period. I'll be checking the activity. Okay, I need only 10 minutes for that. I'll check the activity 10 minutes before the class, before the stopping this. I'll check. Okay, now we do two problems. Write down the question. Please stop the speakers, children. If you there is any in your house, please switch off the speakers.
saying to let him in.
Yes, I have let in everyone. Whoever came, it is okay. I've changed the color. Now write this question.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I just came now.
Okay, I'm going to give a question. You have to answer. That's all.
Ma'am, did you take the activity?
Activity, no. I'm going to check it. Just
Okay, ma'am.
before winding up this class, I'll check it. Wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you attend the class first. Yeah. So write down the problem. This is the problem. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. This is a different question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeters, whose length is 40 centimeters and a diagonal is 41 centimeter, and a diagonal is 41 centimeters. Read the question in your mind first. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Okay, I'll draw a rectangle. Okay, we'll see the peculiarities of a rectangle. What is it? Listen, suppose I'm drawing a rectangle. What is a rectangle? Can you explain? What is a rectangle? You have studied in 6th standard. What is a rectangle? Can you tell me?
It's a quadrilateral.
Opposite sides are equal.
Okay. Let me see whether I can take it from the shapes. So you'll get a perfect rectangle. Okay. Then I'll discuss. No, only squares are there. Okay, you can make a rectangle. Okay, listen, children. Better I'll draw, otherwise. Okay, now suppose it is a rectangle. How many sides it has? A, B, C.
Four
Sides. Now rectangle have four
sides.
Rectangle is a closed figure with 4 sides. Okay. And what is the peculiarity of a rectangle? Can you tell me?
Their opposite sides are equal.
Their opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal.
Equal.
Opposite sides are equal. Then any other peculiarity is there? Any other? What about angles?
Opposite angles are
Right
The opposite angles are equal.
every angles are 90 degrees.
Very good. All the angles are at 90 degrees, isn't it? All the angles are at 90 degrees. So we can
90 degrees.
draw like this. Now, What is meant by a diagonal? What is meant by
Equal half. The equal
studied
half.
you have studied last year. What is a diagonal of a rectangle or anything?
Half of the figure.
See, it is a line joining the vertex of
AC and D.
opposite
AC and DB.
vertex. Okay.
Two ends of a rectangle.
Line joining one vertex to its opposite vertex. This is one diagonal. Clear, children? So these are the peculiarities of a rectangle. What is it? Opposite sides are equal. All angles are at 90 degree.
90 degree.
And diagonal, you can draw. How many diagonals you can draw in a rectangle? Can you tell me?
4.
Diagonal means the line segment joining the opposite vertices.
4.
4.
Two.
Only 2. Isn't it? How many more? This angle B and D. Then which are the vertices?
A, B, C.
So only 2 diagonals you can draw. Okay. Now I am
Yes.
only one diagonal because only one diagonal given in the question. What is the length of the diagonal given? Check.
Ma'am, is the perimeter 98
Ma'am,
centimeters?
some more loudly. Your voice is low.
Okay. What is the length of the diagonal given?
41.
41.
41
Diagonal
Ma'am.
is 41.
Ma'am, is the answer 98 centimeters?
Yeah,
98
1 minute.
centimeters.
41 centimeter diagonal. And the other one is, what is this called? This is one of the sides of the rectangle, no, length of the rectangle. We can call it as the length of the rectangle, smaller one as the breadth of the rectangle. Now, what is the length of the rectangle given? It is 40 centimeters. So this is 40 centimeter. Now, any idea is clicking in your mind to find out perimeter. What is meant by perimeter? 1 minute. What is meant by perimeter?
Sum of the sides.
Okay, sum of all the sides. That is the sum of the boundaries, isn't it? That is known as the perimeter of the rectangle. Here, then another formula also you have studied. No, one more formula you have studied. What was it?
Yes.
For finding the perimeter.
Hypotenuse minus base square.
Yes. What is the
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Very good. So here we want to find the perimeter of the rectangle. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Look at this. We want to find the perimeter of the rectangle now. It is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. What is L? What is B?
Length and breadth.
Length and breadth. So what is, we have L here. L is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Now what
40
is
centimeters.
9 centimeter.
What is breadth? How will you find the breadth? CD. CD is the breadth, isn't it?
Yes.
CD is the breadth. So how will you find it? Can you see a right triangle here?
Yes.
Right triangle there.
9.
This one. Check. This
Nine.
and this. The colored part is forming a right triangle. No, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. And this is the altitude. Base is already given. So what is the problem here? We want to find
So hypotenuse square minus
Hypotenuse square minus base square.
Very good. So hypotenuse square minus base
base
square.
square.
Will give you the altitude square.
Altitude
So we
square.
want to find CD square. CD square is equal to, what is hypotenuse square? Okay, we'll write the formula. Hypotenuse square minus the base square.
Base square.
Square.
9
So that is equal to, what is hypotenuse square? 41. The whole square
minus
minus 40 square, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, find out the answer. Now you can do it, isn't it? Okay.
Ma'am, 98 centimeters.
Ma'am, 98 centimeter.
Yeah. Answer is 98
98 centimeters.
98 centimeter.
Okay. Angelia was not there till now. Okay. Can I, did you write this till this much? Okay. I'll move it up. Okay. I want little more space to complete the question. You all got the answer, children? Everybody got the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Huh? Okay. So what
ma'am.
is 41 square? 41 into 41. What is it?
41
Yes.
into 41.
1680.
1,681. Okay, 1,681.
1,000
Square?
1,600.
1,600. Subtract. You will get 81. Okay. So then CD square is 81. So what is CD? I told you what is
Square root of
9.
81.
Square root of 81.
81. That is equal to
9.
centimeter. So this is the question. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll give a similar type, not similar type. It's another figure, rhombus. Okay, it finished this question. Shall I rub?
No, ma'am, perimeter we didn't complete, right? We didn't find the perimeter, right?
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay, we can find the perimeter. 9 centimeter is one breadth, is a breadth, isn't it? Okay, but find the perimeter then. What is it? Perimeter is equal to 2
40
into L
plus
plus B.
9.
2 into L plus B.
40 plus 9.
So 2 into L plus B we got. 2 into what is L? L is 40.
40.
Plus 9. Breadth is 9.
Plus 9.
So 2 into 49. Okay. 2 into 49, answer is 90.
98 centimeter.
Yeah. I'll just bring it up. 2 into 49 will come. So you will get 98 as the answer. Write down, complete it. Okay. Answer is 2 into 49. You will get 98 centimeter. Perimeter, no? So only centimeter. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will go for the next type of question. Using Pythagoras theorem, different type of questions can come. Okay. So you should revise whatever you have studied in 6th standard also. We'll do some model problems only. We can, if time is there, we can do different types of problems, but you have to check what all types of problems can come from this topic. Okay, finished? Now next question. One more question I'll do. After that, I'll check your assignments. Check your activity. Next one. Next question is this. The diagonals of a rhombus measure the diagonals of a rhombus measure the diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. Okay, this is the question. Diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. What is rhombus? Can anybody
Diamond
say?
shape. The diamond shape.
Okay, diamond shape. Any other peculiarity? It has properties. Can you remember?
The opposite sides are equal.
Its
Only
breadth
opposite sides
is
are equal?
slanting position. Its
Opposite
front is in
angles are
standing
equal.
position.
Angles are opposite angles are equal.
Opposite angles are equal because it is a parallelogram. Any other, only opposite sides are equal or all sides are equal in a rhombus?
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. What is the difference between a square? Then what is the difference between a square and a rhombus? Square also all
Rhombus
sides
is
are
just
equal, isn't it?
tilted.
Square also all sides are equal. In the rhombus also all sides are equal. Then what is the difference between square and rhombus?
It is slanted.
The
Square
front is
is
slanted.
rhombus.
In square, every angles are equal. In rhombus, opposite angles.
Every angles are equal only in square. But
90.
90 degree.
how much is the angle in a square? All angles
Square
are
90 degree.
90 degree. Okay. In a square, all angles are at 90 degree. Rhombus, it may not be like that. Okay. That's the only difference between square and a rhombus. Huh? Okay. So, rhombus comes under quadrilateral family, and the peculiarity is all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Okay. I'll draw. Can I rub the question, children? Did you all have taken down this question?
Yes.
So I'll just rub it. Otherwise, I won't get space for answering. Okay, we'll draw a rhombus. Just okay. Okay. It will be 1 minute. I'll take it from shapes if possible. Yeah. I'll take it from shapes if it is there. And it will be good for you. Nothing is there. No rhombus.
Yes, ma'am, it is the.
Ma'am, it is the
Rhombus.
Ma'am, it is
2D
Yes,
shapes.
ma'am.
2D shapes, it is
Section.
square. 1 minute.
And last fifth.
Ma'am, last section.
Last one, it's not there. It's pentagon.
No, it's not there.
It's not
Yes, 2D shapes it is there.
No, it is parallelogram. It is parallelogram.
there. It is not a
In
rhombus.
the third line, it is there in the third line.
Third line.
Bottom line.
No, sir.
Bottom line.
It is parallelogram, right?
Let me check.
we can choose
Square,
which shape we want.
circle, these are all triangles. And this one is a, it's not a,
It is parallelogram.
not rhombus. It's pentagon.
See in the bottom line.
Here, this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, we cannot. Only parallelogram will come. I'll check with this. That is not working. It is not working. Okay. So
After trapezium, one rhombus is.
no. But it is not working. I clicked it. This one, no.
Ma'am,
Rhombus is there
After
after
that.
trapezium.
This is trapezium. After trapezium, it's
Rhombus is
parallelogram given. I can make
Yes.
the rhombus, but it's not working. See, I cannot draw with that.
The rhombus actually.
It's parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
ma'am,
sir.
when you choose the color, it will go, ma'am.
That is the problem. Okay, I'll adjust with
Ma'am,
the,
without choosing the color, if you draw, it will come, ma'am.
but it won't, color won't come. Only mouse point will work.
And because of that is black.
Okay. This is black color. I'll draw it for you. Just see. So we can draw. Just rough figure I'll draw. Okay. Okay. So if I'm drawing a rhombus, all sides is almost, all sides are equal, okay, in a rhombus. And one more peculiarity is there. What is that? Can you tell me? For a rhombus, one more.
Will be opposite
Can you
to
tell me what it is? What it is? Okay, one more peculiarity is there. You said all sides are equal, okay. That is okay. All sides are equal. angles can need not be
Opposite
at 90 degree.
angles.
One more thing. Can you say anything about its diagonal?
It will be
Diagonals will be
90
different.
degree.
Diagonals bisect
Will be
each
different.
other. Diagonals bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisecting? Bisecting.
Divide them into equal.
Very good. Divide into equal parts, isn't it? Bisecting means divide into equal parts. Both diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Not only that, one more peculiarity is there. This diagonal means it joins the opposite vertex. Okay, vertex. Top. Okay. It bisects each other at 90 degree. That is the peculiarity of rhombus. What is it? The diagonals bisect each other at 90
90
degree.
degree.
Okay, bisect means this diagonal will bisect. I'll draw with another color. See this. This diagonal is bisecting the other one into two equal parts. Okay, and the diagonal, if I write A, B, C, D, the diagonal AC is bisecting diagonal BD into two equal parts, and also diagonal BD is bisecting diagonal AC into two equal parts at 90 degree. All angles in the center will be at 90 degree. Okay, this will be 90, this also will be 90, this also will be 90. Now what is the question given for you? What is the question given? Question is to find the
And the
perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus, isn't it? Question is perimeter of the rhombus. So, what is given to you in the question?
Find the perimeter of
Diagonals,
the
both
Only
diagonals.
diagonals are given, isn't it? Only diagonals are given.
Yes,
Lakshmi,
yes, ma'am.
what are the measures given?
16 and
16 and 30.
30. Okay.
30 and
16 and 30. Now tell me what will be, suppose if I am writing O in the center, O at the center. If I am writing O at the center, can you tell me what will be OD? Suppose the full BD, length of BD is 30 centimeter. BD, that diagonal if I am taking as 30 centimeter, what can be OD? The half of it, no? How much centimeter it will be?
ma'am, OD is 8 centimeter.
30 I have taken as BD, I have taken 30. 15. Okay. So I can write this as
15.
15 centimeter. Now what is AO? If AC I am taking as 16 centimeter, that the other diagonal. 16 centimeter, other diagonal. So what will be
4.
4?
8.
Sorry, 8.
No, 8.
8.
Take half of 16. Okay, 8 centimeter.
8.
Now just see this triangle which I have taken. Is it a right triangle? Inside the rhombus?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
no. It is a right triangle which I have. Can you see a right triangle here inside the rhombus? I'll try to fill it with color. Okay. If it is coming out, the whole, okay, correct. See this? Is it forming a right triangle inside the rhombus?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, how can you find the side AD from this? If you find one side of
Hypotenuse square.
if you find one side of the rhombus, you can easily find the perimeter, isn't it?
Yes.
Because all sides of rhombus are equal. Very good, Sri Lakshmi. We'll check it out. Okay. So, one side we want to find AD. How will you find it? How will you find it?
Hypotenuse square minus.
Hypotenuse square, isn't it? AD is the hypotenuse here. Very good. So, how will you find AD? Tell me. What is AD square? AD square is
Altitude square minus
square
base square is equal to
minus
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 AD is the
base square.
hypotenuse
Ma'am,
plus
17.
hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square, isn't it?
Yes.
See, so AD square is equal to AO square plus OD square. So what is it? AO square is 8 square plus 15 the whole square. Find out the answer. Find out what is AD from this. Okay, find out.
And 17.
Yes.
17.
We'll get the side as 17. Who said the answer?
68 centimeter.
Okay. Sri Lakshmi, I think you have done the problem earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
You might have seen the C-section video, right?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, that's it. Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
I
Anyway,
used to
good.
know
You
this
have
is-
done it before. Very good, very good. Okay. Parvati, did you get the answer?
I'm doing.
Okay, find out the answer. Okay, what is 8 square? Yeah? 8 square is 64 plus 15 square. You can tell me, answer it. Who is this? Anusha, what is 15 square? What did you do? Others, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't simply copy from the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to do it yourself. Okay, Rudra, can you answer me? What is 15 square? 200 and, no?
225.
Okay, 225. Then you have to add it up. So you will get 289. So AD is equal to how much? Square root of 289. Got 17, isn't it?
17.
AD is equal to 17 centimeters, right? Now what you have to do? What is asked in the question?
Perimeter.
You have to find the perimeter. So find out the perimeter. Perimeter means what? One side is 17. So what will be the perimeter? 4 sides, no? So what to do?
17 into 4.
17 into 4. Good. So perimeter is equal to 17 into 4. So answer is 68
68.
centimeter. Perimeter, no? So centimeter only will come. You will get answer as 17 into 4, 68 centimeter. Okay. So I hope it is 2:56. Till 3 o'clock you have the class, no? Okay, I want to check your activities. Okay, finish this problem. After that, you get ready with your activities. I want to mark how many of them have submitted. Seven, 8. Okay. Yes. So I'll okay, finish children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I stop share? Everybody completed the problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. No? No.
No, ma'am.
Who said no?
Tanmay.
Tanmay. Okay, 1 minute. It is there. I'll show you. Okay, complete it. By the time I'll check whoever is giving to me. Okay, I'll call the name. You have to show me. Okay. Three o'clock, no? 3 o'clock. Yes, Sriram.
Yes, ma'am.
Sriram, where is the activity? Okay. Just show the activity. I don't want the name and other things. Just show the activity done. Okay. Yeah, I have just triangle. Where is protractor shape? You got exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. You have to get exactly the shape of the protractor. Okay. Sriram. Adityan Anu.
Ma'am.
Adityan. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Adityan. Okay. Yes. You have to write there. What is the result of that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay. That you have to do. Then Abhinand Krishna. Abhinand
Yes,
Krishna.
ma'am.
Can you show your activity? Abhinant. Okay. Otherwise, I cannot see. Okay. Okay, little more neatly. Okay, you have to do it little more neatly. Okay, Abhinant Krishna. Okay, you have to write the result also. I think you have written little more. You can make it neat.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
next person, Abhinav Bijoy. Abhinav Bijoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me. Color some in he have done in some other way. Okay, I can put in speaker view. No, then I cannot see. Okay, show me. Little more up. Did you get the figure as protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I send you the WhatsApp today?
No. Don't send in WhatsApp. WhatsApp means around 90 students will be there. If I ask to send in WhatsApp, it will be full of images. I can't do any work in my phone. Okay, Abhinav PA. Abhinav? Where is Abhinav? Okay, next person, Ahmad Afin. Ahmad Afin. Okay, write down what is the activity. Okay, I know. Miziad said this. Okay, Miziad, I got. Ahmad Afin, you have to write what is the heading you have to write. Okay, heading you have. Okay, good. Then you have to write the result also. Ahmad Afin. Then Ivan Joseph Paul. Alvin. Where is it? Ivan, where are you? Show me. It's in a different way. Where are you? I can't see. Ivan Joseph Paul. Ivan Joseph Paul. Ivan Joseph Paul.
He is written Ivan 7A.
Ivan?
7A.
Yeah. Oh, Ivan. See, you have to join those angles, okay? You have to join together, those angles, okay? You have measured the angles and did it. Very good. Okay, next person, it is Albert Jojo. 3-1. Okay, 1 minute. Albert Jojo is there? No.
Ma'am, can I show tomorrow?
Okay, so remaining, anybody else is there?
Amal.
Okay, yes.
Amal.
Anthony.
Krishna.
Amal.
Ma'am, Lakshmi.
Lakshmi is there.
Anthony.
Okay.
Anthony.
Ma'am, Ishal. Oh,
Well,
many photos.
Anthony. Ma'am, Anthony.
Anan.
everybody
Ma'am,
has done?
Anthony.
Nelvin.
Okay.
Anthony.
Very good.
Nelvin.
I have to see
Ma'am, Nelvin.
separately. Okay, till this much, this one I have marked Albert Jojo. Till Albert Jojo. Amal Anthony.
Tomorrow. Ma'am, tomorrow.
Okay,
I'll
tomorrow
give.
you can show me day after tomorrow. Okay, keep it with you. Day after tomorrow, I'll mark whoever I can mark. Okay. Anan Hajid. Send it to me, no? Yeah.
Ma'am, me.
Tessa, show me. I want to see properly. Okay. I cannot, if I see like the Ayan, it's okay. Ayan have done neatly. Okay, Ayan. Okay, children. So I'll see in the next class.
Do we need to send it to you?
No, don't send. In the next class, I'll see. Thursday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Today our portions are
Thank you,
over.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
More,
Thank you, ma'am.
problems if needed, we can do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.